Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best digital pianos available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or a seasoned piano player, these options have something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list, at number 5 is the VTOB 88-key digital piano, which is an excellent budget-friendly choice for beginners. Priced at just $109.24, this piano comes with semi-weighted keys that simulate the touch of an acoustic piano without the hefty price tag of fully weighted alternatives. It boasts 1,000 timbres, 1,000 rhythms, and 150 demo songs, making it versatile for various genres and playing styles. The dual keyboard function is a great addition for learning and teaching purposes. In terms of design, it's lightweight and portable, weighing just 2 pounds, which is perfect for on-the-go musicians. The package includes a sturdy double X stand, a sustain pedal, headphones, and even a carrying case. Everything you need to get started. The piano also supports MIDI and Bluetooth connectivity for use with apps or external devices, making it a solid choice for beginners who want to explore digital music production. However, its semi-weighted keys may not provide as realistic of a feel as fully weighted ones, and the onboard speakers could be better. Nonetheless, for its price, the VTOB offers impressive features and is ideal for beginner players or those on a tight budget. If you're looking for an entry-level digital piano with great value, this is the one for you. Making it a solid choice for beginners who want to explore digital music production. However, its semi-weighted keys may not provide as realistic of a feel as fully weighted ones, and the onboard speakers could be better. Nonetheless, for its price, the VTOB offers impressive features and is ideal for beginner players or the... At number 4, we have the Roland FP10, an entry-level digital keyboard that combines premium features with beginner-friendly functionality. Roland's renowned supernatural piano sound engine powers this model, delivering a rich and responsive tone that mimics the sound of an acoustic piano. The 88-key hammer-action keyboard offers progressively weighted keys, allowing dynamic expression and a more authentic playing feel. This piano excels in connectivity, featuring Bluetooth MIDI for wireless connection to educational or creative apps. The free Roland Piano Partner 2 app enhances lessons and provides remote control functionality. It's perfect for beginners who want to integrate digital tools into their practice. With onboard speakers and a headphone jack, you can play anytime without disturbing others. The twin piano mode is particularly useful for teachers and students, allowing both to play side by side in identical octave ranges. The FP10's compact design makes it suitable for smaller spaces, and its optional matching stand adds a touch of elegance. While it doesn't include a bench or triple pedal unit, it's an excellent choice for beginner and intermediate players who value sound quality and connectivity. It's pricier than the VTOB, but its superior tone and hammer action keys make it a worthwhile investment for aspiring pianists. Coming in at number 3 is the Yamaha Arius YDP105B, a stunning upright digital piano designed for beginner and intermediate players. With Yamaha's reputation for crafting high-quality instruments, this piano offers a rich, dynamic sound reminiscent of a grand piano. It features a graded hammer standard keyboard with touch response, providing a natural feel that closely emulates an acoustic piano. The upright design, complete with elegant wood grain and a 3-pedal unit, adds a touch of sophistication to any room. One of its standout features is the dual headphone jacks, allowing for private practice sessions or duets with a teacher or friend. With 10 instrument voices and built-in stereo speakers, the YDP105B provides versatile sound options to enhance your playing experience. It also includes a bench, making it a complete setup for beginners or home musicians. On the downside, it's heavier and less portable than other models on this list, and it doesn't include Bluetooth connectivity. However, its traditional design and acoustic-like feel make it ideal for those who want a more authentic piano experience without the maintenance of an acoustic piano. If you value design and sound quality above portability, this is a great option. At number 2 is the Yamaha P45B, a portable digital piano that's perfect for intermediate players looking for a lightweight yet powerful option. The P45B features Yamaha's graded hammer standard weighted action, which mimics the heavier touch of lower keys and the lighter touch of higher ones, just like an acoustic piano. It comes with 10 voices, including digitally sampled tones from Yamaha acoustic grand pianos, and offers a dual mode to combine voices like piano and strings for a unique playing experience. Design-wise, the P45B is sleek and minimalist, making it a great fit for small spaces or mobile setups. It includes a music rest, sustain pedal, and power adapter, so you're ready to play right out of the box. The USB-MIDI connectivity allows seamless integration with computers or mobile devices, making it perfect for recording or using educational software. With built-in speakers and a headphone jack, you can enjoy immersive sound whether you're practicing alone or performing for a small audience. While it doesn't have Bluetooth connectivity, the P45B compensates with its high-quality sound engine and realistic weighted keys. It's an excellent option for players who want a portable digital piano without sacrificing the feel and tone of an acoustic instrument. This model is a fantastic blend of performance and portability. Claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Ligins 88-key digital piano by Allet. This premium option combines timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. Crafted from premium North American spruce wood, the same material used in concert grand pianos, the Ligins is not just an instrument, but a statement piece. Its 88-key graded hammer action keyboard delivers an authentic playing experience, mirroring the nuanced response of a traditional piano. The French Dream audio sound engine and dual 25-watt stereo speakers provide rich, resonant acoustics that truly capture the soul of a grand piano. Whether you're practicing in private or performing for an audience, this piano delivers unmatched sound quality. The triple pedal unit, soft, sostenuto, sustain, offers dynamic control, while the USB-MIDI connectivity ensures seamless integration with digital audio workstations and educational apps. Although it's the most expensive option at $399.99, the Ligins justifies its price with its superior craftsmanship, immersive sound, and versatile connectivity. Its refined wood grain finish also complements any home decor, transforming your space into a personal concert hall. If you're looking for a digital piano that balances aesthetics, performance, and innovation, the Ligins is undoubtedly the best choice on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.